Welcome to Techno Trend Zone, your ultimate destination for the latest in photography technology, innovations, and trends. Modern cameras have reached astonishing levels of precision, performance, and feature sets. Yet, despite these advancements, they often lack the soul and charm that many photographers still long for. The tactile feel and iconic look of classic film cameras. Back in the day, cameras weren't just tools. They were companions, designed to inspire creativity and joy with every click. But what if we could combine the timeless appeal of vintage cameras with the cutting-edge technology of today? That dream may soon become reality, as rumors swirl about Canon's possible entry into the retro-inspired camera market with the Canon 1 Rupee. Could this long-awaited fusion of past and present be just around the corner? Let's dive deep into the details to explore what the Canon 1 Rupee could mean for photography enthusiasts and the industry as a whole. The timeless allure of vintage cameras. There's something undeniably magical about classic film cameras. Their unique designs, tactile dials, and the satisfying click of their shutters evoke nostalgia for a golden era of photography. Over the years, brands like Nikon, Fujifilm, and OM System have successfully tapped into this sentiment, creating modern cameras with retro aesthetics that blend artistry and innovation. For instance, the Nikon ZFC was a hit with its vintage-inspired design paired with modern mirrorless technology. Given Canon's rich history of iconic camera designs, it's no surprise that fans are now asking, when will Canon join the retro revival? The market is eager for Canon to introduce a camera that reflects its storied past while embracing the demands of today's photographers. Retro cameras are more than just a passing trend. They represent a fusion of timeless artistry and modern convenience that resonates deeply with photographers across generations. Canon's legacy. A well of inspiration. Canon's history is filled with legendary models that could serve as inspiration for a retro camera. One standout is the Canon RE-1, released in 1976, which remains one of the most iconic film cameras ever made. Known for its ergonomic design and groundbreaking features at the time, the RE-1 is remembered fondly for its user-friendly layout and its iconic pentaprism hump. A modern reimagining of this classic could honor Canon's legacy while introducing it to a new generation of photographers. But the RE-1 isn't the only possibility. Some rumors suggest the Canon 1 Rupee might also draw inspiration from the Canon QL17 GIII, a unique rangefinder camera from the 1970s. With its asymmetrical form and protruding lens barrel, the QL17 stood out from its contemporaries. A design that blends the sleek elegance of the RE-1 with the quirky charm of the QL17 would certainly turn heads in a market where many cameras follow similar design formulas. Such a bold approach could be refreshing, but it also carries risks. Will photographers embrace a camera that dares to be different, or will they stick to more familiar aesthetics? Canon's subtle hints. Is the 1 Rupee in development? While Canon has not officially confirmed the existence of a retro-inspired camera, there are tantalizing clues that suggest the company is seriously considering the idea. In an interview with Camera Beta, Junichi Murakami, Canon's director of optical development, acknowledged the consumer interest in retro designs. While this isn't a direct confirmation, it's far from a denial. Murakami's comments indicate that Canon is aware of the demand and may already be working behind the scenes to bring a retro-inspired camera to life. This has fueled speculation that the Canon 1 Rupee could be the answer to fans' hopes. Speculation and features. What the Canon 1 Rupee could offer. If Canon decides to venture into retro territory, the rumored Canon 1 Rupee could offer features that appeal to both nostalgia-driven enthusiasts and modern professionals. Reports suggest the following possibilities. Dual sensor options. The 1 Rupee might come in two versions. One with a full-frame sensor for professionals seeking top-tier image quality, and another with an APS-C sensor for beginners or those looking for a compact option. Modern connectivity. Advanced wireless options like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth would cater to today's content creators, ensuring seamless integration with social media and cloud storage platforms. Vari-angle display. A fully articulating screen could provide flexibility for vlogging, low-angle shots, and selfies. Advanced autofocus. Canon's cutting-edge autofocus technology, including subject tracking and eye detection, would make the 1 Rupee a powerful tool for photographers and videographers alike. Classic design with modern touches. The camera could feature tactile dials and buttons reminiscent of vintage models, combined with customizable settings and a sleek electronic interface. If Canon successfully combines these features with a vintage-inspired design, the 1 Rupee could strike a perfect balance between form and function. Why now? The retro camera trend. Canon's timing for exploring a retro camera makes perfect sense. The mirrorless camera market has grown substantially in recent years, and competitors like Nikon and Fujifilm have demonstrated a strong demand for vintage-inspired designs. The success of the Nikon ZF-C even prompted Nikon to expand its retro line with the full-frame Nikon ZF, showing that this is more than a niche market. In addition, the rise of social media has amplified the appeal of visually striking products. A camera like the 1 rupee, with its nostalgic charm and cutting-edge features, would likely become a favorite among influencers, photographers, and enthusiasts. Canon's exploration of this space reflects its understanding of evolving consumer trends and its willingness to innovate. Balancing nostalgia and practicality. For the Canon 1 rupee to succeed, it must strike the right balance between nostalgia and practicality. A beautiful design alone won't be enough. The camera must also deliver on performance. Conversely, a feature-packed camera that doesn't capture the essence of classic photography may fail to resonate with its target audience. By blending the tactile aesthetic appeal of analog cameras with the conveniences of modern technology, the 1 rupee could offer something truly unique in today's crowded market.
It would be more than just a nostalgic throwback. It could represent a new way of thinking about camera design, one that values individuality and creativity as much as technical innovation.
Conclusion. A camera worth waiting for. While we don't have all the answers yet, the idea of a Canon 1 rupee is an exciting prospect that has sparked the imagination of photographers worldwide. Whether it leans into the classic elegance of the RE-1 or embraces the quirky charm of the QL-17, the 1 rupee has the potential to make a big splash in the industry. What do you think? Would you be interested in a retro-inspired Canon camera? Let us know in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content from Techno Trend Zone.